To endorse applications, click the For Endorsement button. You will see a list of all types of applications which need to be endorsed, separated by type, to include applications, renewals, and changes in registration. If you are a lead signatory, you will see all outstanding endorsements for your organisation. Additional signatories will only see the endorsements where they have been selected to endorse by the applicant. To action these endorsements, click the arrow on the right-hand side. You can view the type of form to ensure that the information provided by the applicant is correct. You can then endorse the application by clicking the Endorse option and completing all the fields on the endorsement form. You'll need to confirm that the employment start date provided by the applicant is correct and confirm that they have applied for the correct registration. You'll need to confirm that you have verified the applicant's birth certificate and select which additional form of identification you have verified. This is only required if their latest DBS is outside of the last 3 years. You'll then need to provide details of the applicant's DBS check and confirm you have checked the applicant's criminal and disciplinary sections on the application form. You'll also need to confirm that the applicant is suitably qualified or working towards their qualification. There is a section where you can provide any information you feel is relevant to the application. For example, if there are any errors in the application, or if you cannot endorse it, you can tell us why here. You must then read the declaration statements in the list below and click the Submit button to confirm the endorsement.